Hello, this is a tutorial for my Lego puzzle box or Lego puzzle boxes called Brothers. This is part 1 of 3, I think, because it will take too long. So let's start. Let me just raise the camera. So, begin with a 6x8 and plate or a base. Then you put a 8x1 smooth here on top, can you say? And here you take a 4x1, 2x1, and here two 1x4s or 2x4 smooth, and then 1x2 here. You can see pause, and you can pause now. Yeah. So then you take two 1x2s bricks, put them there, then two 2x4s bricks on top. And you take two 1x1s, but you need to have one with a hole in. This doesn't need to be a hole. And a 2x1 on top. Put it down right there. Then two 1x4 bricks. And two 2x4s. Put them there. Hope you understand. It will look something like this. Remember, a hole there. So for the key you need this is a gear shifter or something, I don't know. Yeah. Then you take a 1x4 and take this kind of mini couch piece, then this corner, well, however, and then a 1x1, 1x4 smooth on top. Put the key in here and slide it in. Rotate it, and in front here you will need a 8x1 smooth, and then a 1x2 flat, and then a 1x2 brick, and in here a 1x4 with a 1x2, and you can begin with this 2x2, 1x1 brick under, and here a 1x2 black and a 1x2 smooth. Oh, sort of a bit of focus. However, you put it here like this, and on top do like this. So it will be a 2x1 hole here. Something like this. You'll put it here so you can slide this and reveal the hole. Reveal. And now for this 2x4 and this couch, then two 2x2s, and then a 2x2 smooth. And I take a 2x2, 3x2, 2x2, and 2x2 smooth. Place it back here, and then you take two 2x1s on top of each other, and then a 2x1, 2x2 smooth. You could use a 2x1 here and 2x1 here if you want. And then you press that there, slide it. Oh, sorry about the focus, it's my phone. like that. And I don't know if you can see, take a 4 or something, and this cover the whole side here. You will put over this hole. You will put a 2 by 1, and then some flat pieces on top. Put that on, and here I did like this. 2 1